The power of nature makes things like credit scores seem so insignificant and meaningless. Tornadoes are among nature's most destructive forces, but they also possess a strange, awe-inspiring beauty that captivates scientists, storm chasers, photographers, and artists alike. Tornadoes often form in elegant, symmetrical shapes from slender rope, like funnels twisting from a calm blue sky to massive wedges that dominate the horizon. Their spiraling symmetry and fluid motion create a surreal, almost hypnotic effect. Take a moment to admire its beauty, and when you are done, hit that like and subscribe for me. Thanks, G.